What is more powerful or magical in art? Is it color or lines? Light or darkness?
So I want to compare 3 Procreate brush pencils, and they will all be at 100% size and 100% opacity. Number 1 will be Procreate pencil. You can see shading is not very much possible, and this is what the line looks like. Number 2 will be Narinder pencil. This is what the shading looks like. It's kind of difficult and very bright, clean line. And number 3 will be Derwent pencil, which I'm at the moment working with. And this is what the shading looks like and the line. So from these 3, each can be used differently. I have 3 artworks. I'm working on the 3rd one with the Derwent pencil, and these 2 I can show you. So this is done with the Procreate pencil. It's really nice. I used a lot of smudge, so you can see a little bit the line of the pencil and the smudging. And it's possible to use for drawing, and it looks like color pencil that you can smudge. This is the drawing with
Narinder
Procreate pencil. You can see the very clear color and lines. I didn't do much of shading. There's a bit of shading on the roof in these tiles, and the colors are bright and the lines are pretty clear and strong. Sometimes it looks like a gel pencil. At the moment I am drawing using Derwent pencil, and I have different types or different type of sizes and opacities, but for the time being I'm just drawing and I haven't finished. So we will see later in the video how this will come out. So this is Derwent pencil, and you see the lines are kind of crisp also, but it's somewhere in between the Procreate pencil and Narinder. I have decided to do this fantastic city because the previous 2 pictures were one fantasy, one real life, and I like to do fantasy cities. I'm working here on these windows. Looks like this was the size I was using, which is only 4% of the size. And I'm trying to create a nice whimsical city which people who like whimsical things would like to visit. I'm also trying to keep the proportions according to the golden ratio, somehow 2/3 and so on, and I think it fits the requirements.
I don't have an answer to my previous question, but just my personal feeling about it. For me, the magic comes and goes with color. I say if lines, then give them some color. If light or darkness, use various colors, not just black and white. And that's what I chose for this whimsical colorful city called Super Bloom City. I used the Derwent pencil brush exactly in that way. I decided to use my mosaic style for this artwork because I wanted neat, colorful, color pencil and illustration-like piece. For more about my mosaic style, see the link above. Derwent pencil has abundant flow, is good for shading, and has more possibilities of size. I try to use most of these features. You can see at 100% opacity various sizes of the Derwent pencil brush. And here you can see at 100% size various levels of opacity. As you have probably noticed, I've been using brushes from Procreate sketching section. So far I've used Procreate pencil brush, Narinder and Derwent pencil brushes, and in my previous artworks I also used soft pastel and shading graphite. I will compare these last two in my next video. Here is my final Super Bloom city. Why Super Bloom? Those who live in California know that it is a time when after a rich rainy winter season you can find different types of flowers on display in various locations, and they are like beautiful colorful canvases under the blue Californian sky. I experienced two super blooms in the Temescal Valley near Temecula in Southern California. So my color palette for the Super Bloom city is based on exactly that, on the colors of the second Super Bloom. I only limited myself again to 14 colors, since that's also part of my challenge. So if you want to see the next brush and artwork, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my work, give it a like, and I will be really happy to hear your opinions and experiences with these brushes in comments. See you next week, and happy creating!